Example of a 3-part thesis statement. You can use this template as a starting point by replacing the underlined statements with your own ideas. In general, advertisements present their products as false solutions to non-existent problems, and they use ambiguous or manipulative symbols to frighten or excite audiences into purchasing goods they wouldn't otherwise notice or want. We can understand the influence of marketing manipulation tactics and discover the true messages of advertisements by using theories about the link between signifier and signified, ideas about the sense or intention of meaning, and claims about psychological influences from writers like Ferdinand de Saussure, Victoria Welby, and Jib Fowles. Specifically, we can see how cause and effect messages, slogans, and visual symbolism in representations of men's and women's deodorant can inspire feelings of fear or power, while also reinforcing outdated gender norms for feminine or masculine identity.